This video will cover how to factory reset the STREAM.One. The process is the same for both the 2K and 4K versions. There are three ways to factory reset the STREAM.One. The first is the front panel on the device itself. Hold the menu button for 10 seconds. This will trigger a reboot. While the device is rebooting, hold the menu button for another 10 seconds. Once the device boots up again, the LED panel will confirm a factory reset has been applied. The second option is to navigate to the System tab in the STREAM.One's web UI. From here, simply click Factory Reset, then Confirm. The last method is to send the factory reset command using an API. See the STREAM.One user guide for how to do this, as well as other available commands. Keep in mind that a factory reset will cause the device to revert to a DHCP address. However, the Auto Discover tool in Creator can help you identify the new address.